Hello, my name is Jamie Wilson. I'm a product training manager for DEWALT Tools. In this test we are using a DEWALT DCG405 18V XR grinder equipped with a 125mm by 1.6mm thick extreme bonded abrasive cutting disc to cut through 20mm rebar. This is a very demanding application for an 18V tool, and we're going to compare how much runtime or how many cuts we can get with this tool. We will run the same test with the same grinder and the same type of cutting disc. In case 1, we're using a traditional cylindrical cell 5Ah battery versus the 5Ah POWERSTACK battery. The first thing we can see here is that the POWERSTACK battery makes more cuts per charge. Both of these batteries are 5Ah, but the POWERSTACK battery has significantly outperformed the cylindrical cell pack. So why is this? Well, there are a couple of reasons. The first thing to point out is that the tool with the POWERSTACK battery cuts slightly quicker. This is because the battery is more powerful due to the duration of the application being reduced. Less energy is used per cut, and therefore we can make more cuts. But that's not the whole story. As we've already mentioned, cutting through 20mm rebar is a very challenging application, and in this case we're using a 1.6mm disc, which is quite a thick disc. Using this thickness gives you more cuts per disc, but the downside is that it draws more energy from the battery as it cuts more material away. When cutting with an angle grinder, the tools draw high current, which builds up heat inside the battery. Due to the way the batteries are constructed, a POWERSTACK battery with its pouch cell technology runs cooler as it has lower resistance within the battery. The flat shape of the POWERSTACK cells within the POWERSTACK battery also allows the battery to cool down quicker. This overall effect is that the POWERSTACK battery packs run cooler in demanding applications than a traditional cylindrical cell. After a number of applications, the cylindrical pack is simply too hot to use safely, and the intelligent module cuts power from the battery as a protection measure. This means that the battery is not able to fully discharge, and the user would have to wait for this battery to cool down before it could be charged or used on a tool again. The POWERSTACK battery runs much cooler, performing the exact same application. The temperature stays within the safe range and the pack is able to fully discharge. So that you can see from this example, in demanding applications, overall you can get more work done faster with less downtime with POWERSTACK batteries.